back as we discuss U.S. immigration law. And nowadays we have updates on a regular basis, and this is another update from the CDC as well as the U.S. Department of State. And I did a video a few weeks ago about how the Department of State was still requiring the COVID-19 vaccination. If you were applying overseas for a U.S. consulate or embassy, you had to have the COVID-19 vaccination in order to receive an immigrant visa. Well, the CDC came out, and as of March 11th, the Department of State adopted the advice from the CDC and officially removed COVID-19 vaccination from the immigrant visa requirement when getting your medical to process for an immigrant visa. So this impacts individuals who are applying for new immigrant visa applications. So if you're applying now, you don't need to show proof of COVID-19 vaccination, but it also impacts those who were previously denied for an immigrant visa application just because of this issue if you did not have COVID-19 vaccination. So you may be eligible for a new medical exam, and you may now qualify for that immigrant visa. So if you were denied for not being vaccinated previously for COVID-19, you should contact the consulate or embassy where you applied through, request a new exam from a panel physician, and make sure you have a valid exam before you get an updated immigrant visa appointment and before you schedule your travel to the United States. So this is a very important update for individuals who were subject to that COVID-19 vaccination for an immigrant visa at a U.S. consulate or embassy. It is no longer required. So if you are applying now, you do not need to worry about that examination. And more importantly, if you applied in the future and you were denied because of your failure to get the COVID-19 vaccination, now you would qualify potentially for an immigrant visa.